Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making okay guys, so I have a few sorrel trees at different parts of my garden. So I'm going to harvest some of this sorrel here so I can make some juice. I also make tea with it as well, but I'm going to harvest all the sorrel that I can harvest now in order to make sorrel juice. This sorrel does have a very beautiful flower. It's a family to the hibiscus. And when it opens out, it looks really nice. Right, so I'm trying to take off all these big sort of buds. All right, so I took off from this tree. Let's move on to our next tree. All right, so we have another sorrel plant here. Let us harvest the sorrel. I'm leaving this one here because I want it to dry up, so I can get the seed. All right, so this one is staying on the plant. Still small, leave those there. All right, is there any other sorrel? Look, there's one here. All right, so guys, this is what I got. So I will make a nice small pot of sorrel juice. Okay guys, so you saw me harvest my sorrel. What I did was I rinsed them out and I peeled the petals off of it. I had to use gloves because the sorrel has a sort of a really small prickly hair on it that can get embedded into your fingers, so you always want to use a glove while peeling it off. Okay, so here we have all the petals. Here I have a few cups of water here that I have boiling. I put in a piece of cinnamon, I've put in some cloves, and I'm allowing this to boil a little bit. After this has come up to a boil, I'm then going to add my sorrel petals to this pot. I'll let it boil for about 1 more minute, and then I will turn it off and cover it and allow it to steep. I'll allow it to steep for a few hours, and then we will strain and make it into juice one time. So we will strain it and then we'll sweeten so that we can have our sorrel juice to enjoy. So now that it's boiling, as you can see, I'm going to add in the petals now. Okay, come on. There you go. I'm going to leave this for a little while, just about a minute. The water is already hot, and so by just covering it and allowing it to steep, it will be able to draw out all the nutrients and flavor from the petals. Okay, so now that we have had our sorrel steeping for a while now, what I should mention to you, I also added a piece of ginger in the water here to steep. So I added cinnamon, clove, and ginger as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is strain our liquid now in order to make the juice. Now, of course, the petals here, don't throw it away. It's edible. You can eat it just like that. It's not enough for you to make a jam out of it, but definitely you can eat it as is right now. Okay, and of course you will just sweeten your juice to your preference. So I'm not going to tell you how to sweeten it. You sweeten it to your preference. But okay guys, so this is how you make your sorrel juice, and that is why I would always encourage you to start growing and planting things in your garden so that you can enjoy its benefits.